So we get asked a lot what the difference between our grass is compared to other similar spec and price turf options on the market. I have these two pieces of turf here laid out to show you some of those differences. This one here being our best-selling 50-ounce, 1.5-inch tall landscape blade. It's 100% U.S. sourced polyethylene, 27-ounce multi-layer polyurethane backing to it as well. And then this is a similar spec 59-ounce, 1.5-inch tall landscape blade from a popular online retailer. And one test, just to easily show by audio, is simply running my hand from one to the other. You can hear the difference between these. Big difference in quality and feel. If you'd like to discuss some turf options, do reach out to us at turfkingz.com.